be in sync with the travel industry, all dental brands launch their own travel size products, leading to what? A lot of plastic. So what do we do about it? I say we stop buying travel size toothpaste tubes and make our own dental tablets for when we travel. Let's see how. All you need is a regular toothpaste tube, a clean container, and baking paper. Now, what you'd want to do is lay down the baking paper on a flat surface and squeeze out tiny drops of toothpaste from the tube onto the paper, like how I'm doing here. Now you can make as many of these as you like, as per your requirement. You can use any glass or steel container as per your convenience. Keep in the freezer and freeze overnight. Next day, when the tablets have dried, peel them off the baking paper and store them in the container. And there you go. Your spill-proof, no plastic, travel-friendly dental tablets are ready to use. I hope you liked our little eco-travel hack. If you did, then please support us by liking and sharing this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.